Hello everyone, buongiorno tutti. Welcome to Bistro di Madre Piccola, Morinville. Today we're going to show you how to make mushroom risotto. Risotto di funghi. White wine, vino bianco, heavy cream, crema, chicken stock, brodo di pollo, mushroom, funghi, onion, cipolle, butter, burro, rice, riso, olive oil, olio di olive, salt, sale, pepper, pepe. So, to make risotto, we need a pot, and we're going to roast the rice. A bit of oil, and let the oil get heat up, and add arborio rice. We need to heat it up. The rice is hot, you can see a little bit of smoke is coming out, and then we're going to add a little bit of white wine, and you see a lot of smoke, so let the alcohol of the wine vaporize off, and you see now it's becoming a little bit dry. You will lose the wetness, and then you need to add a little bit of chicken stock, mix it nicely, and close it and cook it for 20 minutes. Okay. Now we're going to make mushroom risotto. So this is our cooked rice, and we need a little bit of chicken stock again, and the other ingredients: cream, butter, onion, mushroom, a little bit of olive oil, and salt, pepper. So we're going to heat up the pan, add a little bit of oil, let the oil okay. We got some onion and mushroom cooking together. Nice and brownish color. You can add a little bit of salt. And then we're going to add rice. Let the rice cook with onion and mushroom, so you will get nice flavor of onion and mushroom. And then you're going to add some chicken stock. now we're going to add a little bit of cream, not too much, just a little bit of running. Let's see, and then reduce it a little bit. So let the broth of chicken stock and cream to reduce a little bit. Now you can see the wateriness has gone down, but we are not going to make it too dry. Now what we can do, we can close the flame. We can add some butter. And Parmesan cheese. And mix it well. See, nice and creamy. What you have to do, you need to melt all the butter. It's time to plate and decorate. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the top of the rice. Sprinkle a little bit of parsley, and you can garnish with a beautiful piece of parsley. Okay, now we are done with the mushroom risotto.